Have you noticed something weird lately? Everyone's talking about AI, but most people are missing the real part. They think AI is just about cool tools or robots taking over. But what's really happening right now is this. AI is taking jobs faster than people think. Not just future jobs, not just boring tasks, real jobs, jobs people depend on. And the craziest part? Most people have no clue how fast this is happening or how it's already affecting their income, job security, and future earning potential. So today, we are going to break down why AI is actually replacing jobs, which jobs are most at risk, how employers are using AI to cut costs, what this means for your paycheck, and how you can actually win in an AI-powered economy. This is MacroEcho, and this might be the most important video you watch this year. Let's get into it. First, let's get one thing straight. AI is not just some sci-fi future. AI is software plus automation plus optimization that can now do work humans used to get paid for. Not next year, not in a decade, now. Because of large models and automation tools, businesses don't need as many humans to generate text, write code, edit video, design graphics, answer customer questions, schedule meetings, analyze data. And that matters because jobs are literally cost centers for companies. Labor is a business expense. If a company can automate a task reliably and pay it once instead of paying a human repeatedly, guess what they choose? The cheaper option. Not because they hate workers, but because that's how profit works. Let's talk about the data people always miss. When people say AI threatens X percentage of jobs, they're talking about potential impact. But that's not the same as actual replacement happening right now. Think about it like this. Automation doesn't replace a job in one step. It replaces parts of jobs first, then more, then suddenly the job vanishes, like a slow fog. Here's what's happening. Customer service, data entry, routine writing, scheduling, junior coding, graphic resizing, quality control, routine legal docs. These jobs are already being automated in many companies, and not just once, repeatedly. Even higher-level jobs are feeling it, because AI doesn't just copy tasks, it optimizes workflows, and optimization equals fewer humans needed. So this isn't a future problem, this is now. Let's be real, AI doesn't replace every job instantly. It replaces jobs with predictable, repetitive, rule-based work first. Here's the reality. High risk right now. Data entry, basic customer support, scheduling and logistics, content repurposing, middleman administration jobs, routine code writing, basic legal admin docs. These roles are already being automated or augmented out of existence right now. Medium risk. Marketing writing, junior design, spreadsheet analysis, social media posting, recruiting screening. AI doesn't fully replace them yet, but it steals the bulk of the work, so companies don't need as many humans. Lower risk, for now. Creative strategy, complex communication, emotional intelligence, leadership/management, deep domain expertise. But even again, AI augments these jobs too, so your value needs to evolve. Now, let's zoom in on something most creators and workers feel. Your paycheck doesn't feel like it's going up, and everything else feels more expensive. Why? Because AI changes the supply side of labor. When employers can automate tasks with AI, they don't need as many employees, they don't pay as much for routine work, they expect more output from fewer people, they delay hiring until absolutely necessary. And here's the ironic part. Most people think they'll directly lose their jobs, but the real impact is slower wage growth.
Because companies don't need to compete for labor like they used to. Demand for human labor goes down, so wage pressure disappears. That's why even if unemployment is low, wages don't feel strong. And that's why people still feel like they're not getting paid enough. AI is quietly reshaping the value of labor. Let me give you a few real examples you've probably seen but didn't think about this way. Example 1. customer support. More companies are using AI chatbots. Amazon, Shopify stores, banks. That means fewer support reps. Businesses don't tell investors, we replaced humans with AI. They just say, we improved efficiency. But the outcome is the same. Less human labor needed. Example 2. Content creation. Thousands of content jobs vanished, not because humans are lazy, but because companies found they can generate drafts instantly, then just edit and post. Editing used to be a full job. Now it's a smaller task. That means fewer paying roles. Example 3. Legal and HR docs. Junior associates used to draft contracts. Now AI writes drafts instantly, so firms hire fewer juniors. These aren't headline stories. These are the silent shifts happening right now. Now here's something deeper. AI doesn't just replace work, it alters expectations. In the old economy, you learned a skill, you got paid for that skill, you improved, you earned more. In the new economy, AI can do part of the skill, so employers ask for higher human value plus AI leverage, meaning not just can you write, but can you direct AI to write better than competitors? It's a shift in the role of humans. No longer are you just the worker, you are the strategist, the completer, the decision maker, the value amplifier. And if you don't adapt, you get left behind. That's the real reason so many people feel stuck. It's not that AI stole jobs, it's that AI changed what the economic system values. So, if you're job hunting right now or thinking about your next income move, you have to think differently. AI is no longer a threat, it's a tool you must master. Employers don't want people who compete with AI, they want people who leverage AI. That means your value must be skill plus AI competency, not just skill. Skill with AI competence is the new premium. That's how the job market is evolving, and that's where wages will come from in 2026. Now let's get practical. If you want to make more money in an AI world, here are the top 4 income strategies that actually work. Pin Strategy 1. Get good at AI tools. Not buzzwords, real tools like ChatGPT for content workflows, AI automation for spreadsheets, AI prompt engineering, AI graphics and videos, AI sales automation. Be the person businesses want to hire. Pin Strategy 2. Learn human-first skills. These are skills AI can't replace soon. Negotiation, leadership, creative strategy, deep relationship building, selling and persuasion, complex problem solving. AI can assist, but humans still execute in these areas. That's where people will be paid premium. Pin Strategy 3. Combine skill and AI. Example, instead of just writing articles, be the person who uses AI to generate 10x content, plus optimize performance and analyze trends. That's a new level of work. AI isn't the replacement. You are with AI. Pin Strategy 4. Build income streams outside jobs, because jobs alone are fragile. In 2026, you want job income, side income, asset income. So if AI threatens one stream, you still have others. Now let's be clear. AI doesn't only take jobs. AI creates money-making paths that didn't exist before. Freelance AI services, AI workflow businesses, prompt writing, AI content packages.
AI augmented consulting, YouTube plus AI tutorial channels, productized AI tools. These are not theoretical. People are already earning real income from these. So the goal is not to fight AI, it's to position yourself where AI creates value that pays you. So here's the truth. AI is taking jobs. But what really matters is, what kind of jobs? What kind of value? And how do you adapt? If you embrace AI as a tool, you don't lose income. You upgrade your earning potential. If you ignore AI, you risk being replaced. If you flex with AI and learn how to make it work for you, you win in the new economy. That's the MacroEcho way. This is MacroEcho. If you want more videos that explain the economy in a way that actually helps your money, subscribe and comment below. What job do you think AI will impact the most? And will it take your job? I'll see you in the next one.